Good morning from Tbilisi, Georgia.
We're just getting going for the day, leaving our cute little hotel, gonna walk around the neighborhood.
We had a pretty rough travel day yesterday.
Kind of started with no sleep or very little sleep the night before. So we landed in Tbilisi, started out a little unique. Never really tried to been scammed that we know of, but the taxi cab drivers just were saying things that were not true. We got a Bolt, got here. He got us to our hotel, kind of. We got a good nap in. We got a wonderful night's sleep last night, and can't wait to explore.
We went on a wine tour, which was really fun, and there was another couple there. They're from the UK, and they wanted to go out for another glass of wine afterwards, and we ended up spending several hours with them. It was so fun. So that was our evening last night. We're seeing if we can get our laundry done here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Madalava. All right, we're getting our laundry done for $26.
$8.
Gel? $8. We came to this cute little restaurant where you just point and order. Luckily, the lady did speak English, so she was able to help us. Trevor got some chicken salad, some beef and vegetable thing. This is filled with ham and cheese. And is yours filled with just cheese?
I don't know.
We're really excited to try this. My little ham and cheese filled croissant, very delicious. I did also forget to say that all of this only cost us about $5 US. This place is really popular and really good. Always a line out the door.
Freedom is never more than one generation away from extinction, said Ronald Reagan, as he was part of history of this country and the Soviet Union collapsing. Georgia was occupied by the Soviet Union. That's how they honored him. I would call this art in the park. Lots of cool paintings and sculptures and clay stuff. And then it transitions into the junk shop.
Yeah, we were just out walking around and we wanted to walk across this bridge. And then all of a sudden it was just like people just selling all sorts of stuff. You never knew what you were gonna find.
Interesting. Always shopping. We just finished up with supper.
It was so delicious. We had dumplings and a kebab.
For about $10, we had an amazing meal. First full day impressions. This place is a 10 out of 10. I can't say that for everywhere, but I'm loving this little corner where we're at. Doing a lot of walking. There's a lot of stuff to see. Tons of shops, restaurants.
Amazing food, amazing wine. Our hotel is really nice. The weather's perfect.
The streets and walking, you got to be on your toes nonstop. It's not flat. Off to meet some friends that we met
Last night.
for some drinks.
Yay! So good. You didn't want to buy me a flower, Trevor? Inquisitive Trevor.
Just different.
Dog just came up behind us and probably wants some food or something.
Lindsay made a new friend. Keeps startling her by coming up behind her and rubbing up against her.
Here comes the dog. Do do do.
So this dog has been with us for about a quarter mile. Kind of think it knows when to cross the street. When it gets a green light. We'll see.